Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Experiment Brothers. So today we will do a reaction between sugar and baking soda. So let's start the video. First we need powdered sugar. Then we need baking soda, lightning liquid. I have taken kerosene, matches, and a bowl full of sand. So first we have to mix the baking powder and the sugar. I'll take 2 spoons. It will be enough. Now I'll mix it. I think we need some more. I mixed it. Now I'll take the bowl full of sand and I'll put the kerosene liquid. Now I'll take this mixture and put it in the center to make like a mountain. Now I'll take the matches and slowly light. It's a windy day, that's why I'm getting problem. I have lit the fire and now you see the reaction. Looking something different substance. The reaction is so awesome. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I upload new videos. Thank you.